I'm for big crochet.
Well, hello and welcome to my channel. Today we're going to talk about Valentine bears. As we're slowly moving towards Valentine's Day, I thought it would be fun to take a look at some awesome Valentine bear crochet patterns. I apologize for my stuffed up voice. It's the season, I can't help that. I will try to edit out most of the coughs and sniffles. This first bear is filled with hearts. It carries a heart with love written on it, but it also has heart-shaped feet. Very, very cute. Perfect gift for your significant other. And this little cutie has a balloon heart. Very nice. And he has such a cute little face. Massive nose. I love that. Look at this face. It's so cute. Absolutely adorable. A great idea to put the balloon on a little wire. Oh. Here's another one, another cute little face and a massive heart, and look at the little stars on the feet. Great little details. This is the one without, or it's the back. Oh, the body of the bear is a big heart. That's so cool. And she's cute as well. Adorable. And here's an applique panda bear, perfect for a very cool Valentine's card, for instance, or something like that. Very cute, very adorable, and quite big. I like that. And this smiley little fella is holding his heart out to you for Valentine's Day. I love the little, well, they're not eyebrows, are they? They're eyelids. Very nice. And look at the little, how the little paws are made to give him fingers. And he has such a cute face. And quite a different kind of bear with the heart is a little bit more subtle. Little teddy bear. Very, very cute. Very sleek lines. Great shape of the face. I really like this one. Here's another applique one. And this one comes with either a bow tie or a hair bow. And with hearts on the feet and a little heart balloon bouquet. It's absolutely adorable. And this little blue fella has a very blinged up heart to give to his Valentine. He has a very snazzy sweater on. I love striped sweaters on animals. And look at this pink little cheeky cheeks. Adorable little fella. Perfect. Perfect for Valentine's Day. Be mine. This cute white bear is holding a massive heart. Look at this snazzy ribbon around his neck. This kind of yarn gives a fantastically cuddly and soft effect, and you can tell by his little face how much he loves his little Valentine. Now this bear looks a little sad, but he is very cute and he has a beautiful heart to give to you on Valentine's Day. So he's adorable. Another cute one, this time with a white heart and very small eyes. I like the idea of just embroidering them on there. And here he is with his differently colored friend. Adorable. Very cute. Look at the two together. They're adorable. And this is a Valentine's wreath, I suppose. Two little teddy bears in a pink wreath that has lots of X's, knots and X's. The hugs and kisses, aren't they? Just, I'm not sure. And of course, lots of hearts. Very cute. So it's very adorable. Perfect for Valentine home decor. This adorable little panda is ready to give you his or her heart for Valentine's Day. Look what a cute pair they make. Very adorable. I like the little bow around their necks. Gives a nice colorful flourish to the whole thing. Completely different kind of crochet pattern is this little, I think it's a little bag. Little bear bag with hearts on it. It's adorable. And I think you can put something in there. I think the idea is that you can put something in here. Let's see if they have a better photo of it. But I really like this idea. This polar bear with his little scarf has not only a heart, but it's a heart filled with lovely candies. How can you resist that for Valentine's Day? Of course, you can put something else in it, but it's a little heart-shaped basket. And that is just fantastic. It's very, very nice. Nice idea. Great gift for someone. As is this little bear hugging his little heart tightly, and you can even have some little wings on your heart. Very cute. Look at this. It's adorable. Adorable idea. Very nice for Valentine's Day. I love the little wings on the heart. And here we have another little polar bear with a massive scarf and a cute little, oh, big heart. Cute little big heart. Very cute. And this one is a sort of a roly-poly variety of a bear. Very, very adorable with the little paws sewn on there. And here's the brown variety and the panda bear and the brown bear. Very nice. Here they all are. Work they look very nice even in their little candy baskets. Adorable, adorable. And that's it for the crochet patterns of Valentine bears. I hope to see you soon for more crochet pattern ideas. And of course, I wish you happy crocheting.